So you guys, you take your orders, but henceforth, nandito yung sa housing. Nandito si Lenny. She's in charge of the housing. Lahat naman ng next time you take orders from her, and the same order, that she's supposed to finish her job on time. Hindi tayo pwede magbilangan. You know, we are so underdeveloped a country that by the nature of the laziness and indolence of some idiots, sabagay, pupunta rin ako dito kasi nandito si Vice President. Kung saan siya nagapunta, nagpasunod-sunod ako. Pero biyuda kasi. Annulled man ako sa, annulled ako sa asawa. Pero may anak ako, basta masuportahan lang, okay lang yun. Ma'am, balita ko may boyfriend ka. Sabi diyan sa, huwag kang mahayaan. Do not be offended, pero yung sabi nila, hindi yung totoo. Kaya kung totoo yun, ma'am, may mapatay na congressman na bago. Para mabiyuda uli. You know, maybe the next time I'll sit down with her.